Here is a step-by-step guide to replacing the fan motor in your MRCOOL Ductless Mini Split air handler in the event the motor goes out. First, lift the front face of the air handler and remove the screws in the front. Under the louver in the middle, there is a small screw cover. Lift the cover and remove the screw. Disconnect the display and remove the sensors. At the top of the air handler, unclip the casing. Then, remove the casing. Next, you will need to remove the control panel. First, detach the wires connected to the air handler. Remove the screw located at the top of the control panel and use a screwdriver to release the control panel from the clips. Remove the coil temperature sensor. On the back of the control panel, you will need to remove the cord that is attached to the fan motor. Now the plug is free and the motor can be removed. Next, you will need to remove the screws from the fan motor's casing. Now go to the other side of the coil. Remove the screw from the left side of the coil. This will allow you to access the set screw inside the fan blade, which is on the right side. There is a small cutout in the fan blade. Inside the fan blade is another screw you need to remove in order to release the fan motor. Now you can remove the fan motor. Replace the fan motor with a new one and follow all the same steps you used to remove the fan motor to put the air handler back together.